This right here is a Arctic King. Get the label. Arctic King. 5,000 BTU window unit that is cooling a back storage room. I can't get into the front of the unit because there's so much stuff in the way. Here's the compressor. Not really much to see because it's not running right now. It's from this year it was made. I forget what the date said. I think 2 of 18 or something. There's the compressor, made in China. Yep. That's a Arctic King window unit. A long time ago, for those who've watched my channel back in the day, there used to be a Frigidaire unit similar to the one in my office building in this very window. So there's a little fun fact. Y'all can search back through my channel and find that video of me putting in that little Frigidaire unit if you want to see it. But anyways, figured I'd show this unit and what kind of fan motor does this have in it? It's kind of got like a curiosity. Oh, a Welling fan motor. Interesting. Anyways, see y'all in the next video. Arctic King. Bye for now.